This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on reading some melodies written in tablature together. We're going to do 3 different songs. It's going to be great. Right now in the lesson series, we're working on reading tablature or melodies written in tablature. Those melodies staying on the top 3 strings of the guitar within the first 4 frets of the guitar. So we're in open position. We're using our index finger to play those notes in the 1st fret, middle finger to play those notes in the 2nd fret, ring finger to play those notes in the 3rd fret, and pinky to play those notes in the 4th fret. Now, as we're playing these melodies, we're going to be jamming. It'll be you, me, and the band. So we'll be playing these melodies right along with the band jam along track created for this video. It's going to be awesome. This video does accompany the Tablature book from my method book series. So in that book, we'll be starting on page 48. We'll be on pages 48, 49, and 50. We're going to be playing songs 64, 65, and 66. We've done this a lot so far in the lesson series. Each one of these songs will happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. So you can start out at the slower tempo. If there's places where you're having trouble, then you just want to pause the video, work on those spots, and then try playing along with the video again. But it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play these songs together. All right, fantastic. I hope you are having fun with this and it's helpful to you. As we continue through the lesson series, we're going to start adding in the lower strings now. So we've spent a lot of time working on playing melodies on those top 3 strings, which is really where we play most of the melodies that we play on the guitar. But we're going to now start working on playing some melodies and some different exercises, some different songs and so on with these lower strings. Starting especially with the 4th string, then we'll add in the 5th string and the 6th string, though in the next video we're going to take a look just a little bit at adding all 3 of the lower strings or the bass strings. So we've been staying on the treble strings, now we're going to start reading tablature melodies that go onto those bass strings. It's going to be great. Take care and I'll see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.